Hey everyone, so today I will be teaching you how to create ringtones for your iPhone using GarageBand and the free app Documents available in the App Store. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go on YouTube and search for the song or video you want to be your ringtone. For this video, I chose the song Nasty by Brooke Candy. To copy the link of the video, press the three gray dots on the right side of the thumbnail of the video, then press share, then press copy link. Then you're going to want to go to the Documents app and press the blue compass button on the right bottom side of your screen to go to the browser. In case you're wondering, this part will not work with Safari. You're going to want to search into Google something along the lines of download YouTube video MP3 and then come across a site like this. You don't have to exclusively use this site. There are many sites that can allow you to download the audio of a YouTube video, but I just decided to use this for this video. When you get to the site, paste the link into the conversion bar and then press convert. When the video is done being converted into an MP3 file, press the download button, and then this will pop up after it's done downloading. And you're just going to want to press done. You may get a notification asking you to restore the music app. If you deleted it, you can just press cancel. Then you're going to want to press the blue folder button at the bottom left side of the screen. Then go to downloads. Then go to the file you just downloaded, hold it down, and then drag it to the top left side of the screen where it says documents. And then you're going to drag that and drop it into the iCloud folder. You're going to want to wait until it says completed after it says pending, because if you leave and try to open it in GarageBand, it won't work. When you finish with that, open GarageBand and press create document. Next, press audio recorder and then make sure you have it set to clean. Next, press the third button at the top left side of the screen with the three lines. Then press the wrench at the top right side of the screen, press section A, then change the manual section length to 30 seconds. Next, press the loop button at the top right side of the screen, go to Files, then press Browse Items from the Files app at the bottom of the screen. Click on the folder titled Documents, then click your file. Wait for it to appear in the File section, then hold it down, dragging it and dropping it into the track. Then you can play the track and even alter it in the way that you want it to be for your ringtone. When the track sounds good to you, click the first button at the top left side of the screen, then press My Songs. This will save this track as it is. Then hold down the track with your finger until things pop up above it and then press Share. Press Ringtone and then press Continue when the notification pops up. Then all you have to do now is name your ringtone and you're done. It will ask you if you want to set it as your default ringtone or your text tone. If you don't want it to be your default tone for text or ring, then just press OK. And then you can set it in the context depending on who you want the ringtone to be for. Then to hear your ringtone and set it, go to contacts and it should be there. there you have it. I hope this helped people because for a long time I've been trying to find a way to make any sound or song that I want to be my ringtone. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like, and thank you for watching. Bye!